to create a monthly family budget for beginners. Hello, and welcome to Family Finance with Daniel. If you're new here, this channel helps working adults and young families budget better, save more, pay off debt, and build stronger financial habits with confidence. Before we begin, if you have not watched my earlier video, How to Start a Family Budget Step-by-Step for Working Adults and Young Families Beginners, I recommend going back and watching that first. That video gives you the full beginner overview. This video builds on that foundation and shows you how to create a simple monthly family budget. Quick disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please do your own research and consider consulting a qualified financial professional before making financial decisions. Let's get started. A monthly family budget is a plan for how your household income will be used during 1 month. It helps you organize your bills, spending, savings, and debt payments so your money has a clear direction. The first step is to write down your total monthly household income, include all regular income sources, and always use your take-home pay, which is the amount you actually receive after taxes and deductions. Next, list your fixed expenses. These are bills that usually stay the same each month. They are the easiest part of your budget because they are predictable. Now add your variable expenses. These are costs that can change each month. This category is important because it is often where families overspend without realizing it. Do not make a budget that only covers bills. Include savings too. Even if you start small, savings should be part of the monthly plan. If your household has debt, include it clearly in the budget. Start with the minimum payments, then add extra if possible. Now compare your income to your expenses. If money is left over, give it a job. If your expenses are higher than your income, reduce some categories and make the budget more realistic. A budget only works if you track spending during the month. Review it weekly so you can catch overspending early and make adjustments. Some common mistakes include guessing numbers, forgetting irregular expenses, making the budget too strict, and never reviewing it after you create it. To create a monthly family budget, write down your income, list expenses, include savings and debt payments, compare totals, track spending, and adjust the budget each month. A monthly family budget does not need to be complicated. It just needs to be clear, realistic, and consistent. If this video helped you, subscribe to Family Finance with Daniel for more practical videos on budgeting, saving money, debt payoff, beginner investing, and family financial planning. And if you have not watched my earlier overview video, go back and watch that next.